Hi guys, welcome to another video that is Island Bro, and we're gonna cook some lovely chicken goujons here. We're gonna put them in the microwave. So we just have to wait for it to flour. Okay, we have finished our chicken goujons. So we're gonna cook these. We have 3 goods. Come. Well, this is for my sister and this is for me. So yeah, we're gonna cook these. Oh, my sister's coming. Oh, he's coming. Yeah, she's afraid. Let me get a spatula. Let me just go there. You stay here. Spatula! So, I have to put the sunflower oil, like this one here. It's pretty good. Okay, we're gonna separate these into 2 groups. Okay, look at that here. We have to wait until 16 minutes to get this cooked. So yum 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 with these 3 chicken nuggets. So what do? We have nothing to do. Also, we need a stopwatch because we need 16 minutes. We need a stopwatch. Right there. I'm gonna put this right here. I'm gonna put this right here. And yeah. So we're gonna put it like that. And my chicken nuggets.
How much? I want sugar.
Okay, these have separated into 2 parts. Okay, so this one's mine and this one's my sister's. So we have to pick it up. Like we're gonna do the spatula, or like and take forever. Hey, put it there. We have to wait. Listen, we have to wait. So we have to get this thing cooked. Yeah, so 2 hours later. I forgot to say something. Make sure to click that subscribe button and leave a like on this video until we get to the 1,000. Yeah, so when we get to 1,000, I'll be giving away stuff. The cool things for you guys. There's no shop, you just have to come to my house. That's it. So, yeah. So this is like chicken goujon. It's time to flip the mystical fry pan. Yeah. Maybe love the little boys. Little flip. Yes. Oh, oopsie. Bro, how do we flip this? This is so hard. Okay. Okay, now it's better. Oh my god. Okay. Fine. Can you put it in order? Put it in order. Put it in order now. Put some in there. How do we put this in order? Now we're finished our chicken nuggets, and thank you guys for watching. Make sure to smash the subscribe button and leave a like on the video. Bye.